Some time. All right, Lake. Good morning. Just checking up on y'all. Okay, I got some time. They haven't filled them up yet. All right. Let's see. Okay, they haven't got started on this one. They're still working. Okay, they got started on this one. Ooh, sorry. So this is what we're looking for. All right. So I got some time. Good. All right. I'm sorry. Oh, my thing is that what I didn't do was take out the smoker. All right. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this correctly. So I got time. I ain't got to go today.